My 850-foot driveway was being taken over by weeds. So I'm using RM43 Total Vegetation Control to get it back. This is what it looked like before. All right, I'm going to be using RM43 Total Vegetation Control. This stuff has 43.68 glyphosate, and that's what's going to kill your weeds. And then imazapyr, 0.78%, and that's what's going to keep it dead for a long time. All right. Directions say that it's going to be 6 ounces per gallon of water. Let me show you how I mix it, what I'm going to spray it with, and how to get it done. All right, you can see that I'm going to be using my Ego 4-gallon backpack sprayer. I'm going to start off by adding the water first, because if I put in the RM43 first, it's going to get sudsy. So add your water first. All right, now that you've added your water, your next step is to measure the solution. Now, I didn't want my wife to get mad at me, so I didn't use our measuring cup. I end up creating this out of my water bottle. For on-the-spot solutions, it's going to be 6 ounces per gallon. I have a 4-gallon tank, so that's going to equal 3 cups. So I went ahead and measured it in a Gatorade bottle. Like I said, I don't want to get in trouble. All right, we got 2 cups going in, and 1 more cup. A little bit too much. All right, 1 more cup. When all your solution's in, you're just going to agitate it. Make sure you put your cap back on here, and we're good. I'm going to get this on here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply it. All right, let's get to spraying. I really do love this backpack sprayer. I've been using it for everything. Last week, I was using it to kill spiders and bugs and pests and all that. Now I'm using it for this. I'm going to go ahead and spray along this fence line here so I stop breaking all my weed eater strings. All right, everyone, I just got done spraying my very long driveway. So I'll check in throughout the week, and I'll give you guys some sort of time lapse to show you how the product's working. As far as coverage is about 17,000 square feet per gallon. So you kind of figure out however you need to use it. RM43 is also safe for pets. You just have to let it dry first. All right, we'll see you throughout the week. I did not shoot day 1. I really couldn't see any change. But this is day 2, and you can clearly see a line going down both sides of the driveway here where I sprayed RM43. So we'll check back in tomorrow and in the coming days, and we'll see what happens. Okay, this is day 4. Well, I think this is day 5. It's looking really good and promising so far. Well, here's day 7. There is a couple spots like this where it's still green. You can see a couple. I don't know if I just missed it with the sprayer or if it just needs more time. I'll check back. It's been 10 days since I sprayed RM43 Total Vegetation Control. Now let's check out the results and see how it did. I even sprayed some saplings just to see if it would take it out, and it looks like that's working too. You can see just a little bit of green in there. I don't know if I missed it or not, but I went ahead and resprayed it again anyway. And as you can see, the rest of this is looking pretty fantastic. I don't think that I could do or have a better job done than that. That looks great. Well, there you have it, everybody. I would say that did the job. I'm sold on it, and I'll probably use that again in the future. Will it last a year? I have no idea, but I'll let you know. I'll go ahead and drop a comment in about a year from now, and we'll see if it holds up to the year it claims it can do. If this helped you out, go ahead and smash that like for me. If you like this sort of content and DIY stuff, go ahead and subscribe. I have a ton more videos heading your way to include the building of my new shop. Take care.